What is Docker primarily used for? A. Managing databases. B. Containerization of applications. C. Operating system deployment. D. Virtualization of hardware. Answer: B. Containerization of applications. Which command is used to check the currently running Docker containers? A. Docker PSA. B. Docker list. C. Docker running. D. Docker containers. Answer: A. Which file defines how a Docker image is built? A. Docker file. B. Docker compose.yml. C. Image.yml. D. config.yml. Answer: A. How can you stop a running container? A. Docker halt less than container underscore it greater than. B. Docker stop less than container underscore it greater than. C. Docker pause less than container underscore it greater than. D. Docker terminate less than container underscore it greater than. Answer: B. Which of these commands creates a new container from an image? A. Docker run. B. Docker build. C. Docker commit. D. Docker pull. Answer: A. Docker images. How do you pull the latest version of an image from Docker Hub? A. Docker pull image underscore name. Latest. B. Docker get image underscore name. Latest. C. Docker fetch image underscore name. D. Docker update image underscore name. Answer: A. What is the purpose of the docker commit command? A. To update a container's image with changes. B. To delete a container. C. To fetch the latest updates from a repository. D. To list all available images. Answer: A. Which command builds a Docker image from a Docker file? A. Docker image build. B. Docker build. C. Docker create image. D. Docker compile. Answer: B. How to check Docker's version? A. Docker version. B. Docker info. C. Docker version. D. Both A and C. Answer: D. How can you tag a Docker image? A. Docker tag image underscore id tag underscore name. B. Docker rename image underscore id tag underscore name. C. Docker image tag image underscore id tag underscore name. D. Docker tag image underscore id version. Answer: a Docker tag image underscore id tag underscore name. How can you remove a stopped container? A. Docker delete less than container underscore id greater than. B. Docker stop less than container underscore id greater than. C. Docker arm less than container underscore id greater than. D. Docker remove less than container underscore id greater than. Answer: C. How can you run a container in detached mode? A. Using the D flag with Docker run. B. Using the detach flag. C. Using Docker detach. D. Using Docker create. Answer A. Which network mode uses only the container's host networking? A. Bridge. B. Host. C. Overlay. D. None. Answer B. How can you access a running container's terminal? A. Docker exec it less than container underscore it greater than bash. B. Docker run it less than container underscore it greater than. C. Docker attach less than container underscore it greater than. D. Docker console less than container underscore it greater than. Answer. Which command removes all stopped containers? A. Docker cleanup. B. Docker prune. C. Docker rm $. Docker psaq. D. Both B and C. Answer D. Which Docker network mode allows a container to share the host's network? A. Bridge. B. Host. C. None. D. Overlay. Answer B. What does the Docker network ls command do? A. Lists running containers. B. Lists all Docker networks. C. Lists all images. D. Shows network logs. Answer B. Which mode is used to connect multiple Docker containers together? A. Host. B. Bridge. C. Overlay. D. All of the above. Answer C. How can you inspect a specific container's network settings? A. Docker inspect less than container underscore it greater than. B. Docker network inspect less than container underscore it greater than. C. Docker ps network less than container underscore it greater than. D. Docker info network. Answer. What is the purpose of the Docker Compose tool? A. To monitor resource usage of containers. B. To build, configure, and run multi-container Docker applications. C. To remove outdated Docker images. D. To start and stop individual containers. Answer B. What is the default file name for Docker Compose configurations? A. Compose.yml. B. Docker Compose.yml. C. Docker.yml. D. Service.yml. Answer B. How do you bring up services defined in Docker Compose.yml? A. Docker Compose up. B. Docker Compose start. C. Docker Compose up. D. Docker run compose up. Answer C. Which command stops containers without removing them? A. Docker Compose stop. B. Docker Compose down. C. Docker Compose pause. D. Docker Compose remove. Answer. A Docker Compose stop. How can you remove all stocked containers using Docker Compose? A. Docker Compose prune. B. Docker Compose down. C. Docker Compose rm. D. Docker Compose clean. Answer C. Which option ensures that Docker Compose up runs